Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify upgradeability admin on OpenZeppelin Defender, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify upgradeability admin on OpenZeppelin Defender, start by accessing your OpenZeppelin Defender dashboard. Log in using your account credentials. Navigate to the admin section in the dashboard. Locate the upgradeability tab on the side menu. Click on it to view your deployed contracts. Select the contract you want to verify. Check the contract details displayed on the screen. Identify the current admin address listed under the upgradeability settings. Cross-reference this address with your records or security documentation. If you have access to the admin key, ensure it matches the deployed contract. To validate this, you may need to interact with the contract via your development environment. Use a tool like Etherscan or your local blockchain setup to verify the contract's admin function. Ensure you are checking the correct network where the contract is deployed. Utilize the relevant RPC URL to connect your environment. If using Etherscan, input the contract address in the search bar. Navigate to the Contract tab on the Contracts page. Look for any functions related to upgradeability or admin roles. Examine any additional tools in the right contract section. Here, you can execute a read-only function to acquire the admin address. Compare the retrieved address with what is shown in the OpenZeppelin Defender dashboard. If there's a discrepancy, investigate potential issues in the deployment or configuration. Once confirmed that the addresses match, your upgradeability admin verification is complete. Remember to keep this information secure and document any updates to admin roles. Regularly review your contracts for security best practices surrounding upgradeability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.